शुभं करोति कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदं शत्रुबुद्धि विनाशाय दीपं ज्योति नमोस्तुते दीपं ज्योति परं ब्रह्म दीपं ज्योति जनार्दनम् दीपं ज्योति हरतु पापं ज्ञानदीपं नमोस्तुते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। Head of the department of such a distinguished and number one college of Odisha, and the thought has been now transferred to me. Therefore, I will try to maintain that tempo and always try to raise the flag which I have been given to you. We are also very much proud that our ex-head of the department is now principal of this college, Professor Richard. It's also a proud moment for all of us, and the department also have very talented and faculty members who are good in both teaching and research. And students are also excelling in all fields. Many students qualify JAM examination, and most they will pursue their MSc degree in various central and IITs, NITs across the country. Similarly, some postgraduate students are also been clear NET examination, so our students are excelling in all fields. The department is also knowledge about the recent development in chemistry. So department is publishing one world magazine and a seminar bulletin, the new creation for the students, which provides the budding scientists and writers of future on the ground to develop their skills. Now I will come to the theme of the seminar, that is interdisciplinary chemistry from molecules to materials. The theme of this is the seminar. We have invited various reputed speakers to this seminar. Now chemistry, you all know that chemistry is the central science. It is related to chemistry, physics, biology, computer science and every other branch. Now science is an interdisciplinary subject. Therefore, we have to develop interdisciplinary skill and achieve the future problems of the world. You all know that the solution is lying with the chemist of future, because it may be the energy problem, it may be nobody is allowed to leave. Still, among all these difficulties, he has travelled only to deliver his speech to all of you. I am very much thankful and grateful to Dr. Modi. Similarly, Dr. Behera is also travelled from Raulkela, NIT Raulkela. He is a very good researcher and very good teacher, and he is doing excellent in this field. He also travelled last night from Raulkela to Bhubaneswar only to deliver talk to you. I am very much thankful to him also. And the second session, another two persons, one professor presently, and interact, most importantly, interact with those experts to clarify your doubts. You can ask any questions, though no question is
your kind words, and we are really thankful for what you have done for the department and right now what you are doing for our institute. Honoring excellence is a cherished tradition, and to continue with that, I would request our HOD, Dr. Devasis Mahanti sir to felicitate the dignitaries and the principal. I would request Dr. Devasis Mahanti sir, HOD Chemistry, to felicitate the principal madam. Now I would request our principal, Professor Rita Das madam, to felicitate the HOD of our department, Dr. Devasis Mahanti.
It is my great privilege and honor to introduce our esteemed chief guest, Professor Bharat Chandra Malik, a distinguished academician and researcher in chemistry. Dr. Malik has completed his PhD from the prestigious IIT Bombay and earned his MSc and BSc degree from the Ravenshaw University. With over a decade of teaching and research experience, he had previously served as assistant and associate professor at Ravenshaw University. His academic journey includes valuable international exposure, having worked as a Raman postdoctoral fellow at the University of Iowa, USA, and as a BK21 postdoctoral fellow at the Seoul National University, South Korea. His research focused on antimicrobial resistance, membrane protein biophysics, nano-bio-interface chemistry, and natural bioactive molecules. He has completed several funded projects from DST, DBT, CSIR, and UGC. He has published extensively high impact factor journal in various international journals. We warmly welcome him today, sir. Next, I am introducing Dr. Ravindra Kumar Behera as a guest for this occasion. Dr. Behera currently working as an associate professor in the Department of Chemistry at National Ferritin Protein Nanocage and that application in health and technology. Dr. Behera has obtained his PhD from 2011 from Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, Mumbai, where he worked on meat protein. Then he joined Professor Elizabeth Lab at Oakland Research Institute, California as a postdoctoral researcher. He worked on iron storage protein, ferritin. Subsequently, he moved to Colombia to work on another postdoctoral project, cytosolic FES cluster biogenesis. Towards the end of the 2013, he returned to India with BST Inspire Faculty Award to join Institute of Life Science, Bhubaneswar. We warmly welcome him today for this function. Thank you.
Tone of the day. Now I invite Dr. Saroj Kumar Rao, Associate Advisor, to present the theme of this one-day seminar.
Esteemed Madam in absence here, the dignitary on the dais and off the dais, my dear students and all the guests here. And of course, the theme of the seminar is very see that one. The topic is interdisciplinary chemistry from molecules to materials. And interdisciplinary chemistry integrate concept from organic chemistry, physical, inorganic, and material chemistry to transfer simple molecules, building blocks into advanced functional material. This approach emphasizes the design and control construction of molecules through precise and chemical transformation, particularly carbon-carbon bond formation and cell assembly and catalytic process. By bridging the multiple scientific domain with interdisciplinary chemistry, enable the development of innovative solutions with wide range of application. In medicinal chemistry, it facilitates the design of biological active molecules for drug discovery. In material chemistry, it leads to the creation of smart materials, polymers, and nanostructures and electronic devices with tailored properties. In agrochemistry, it supports the synthesis of efficient and substitute crop protection agents. Modern advancement, including green chemistry, principle, and computational modeling, and artificial intelligence security, are further accelerating the transition from molecular design to material functionality. Thus, interdisciplinary chemistry serves a powerful connecting fundamental molecular science to related to the world of technology. I hope you'll enjoy this seminar and the themes, and a lot of beautiful speakers are there, and have a good day. Thank you.
To fostering scientific temperament and research-oriented thinking. This bulletin includes a diverse range of contributions, articles on emerging areas of chemistry, recent scientific advancements, environmental concern, green chemistry initiative, and student research insight. Each piece demonstrates analytical thinking, creativity, and deep engagement with contemporary scientific issues. The Wall magazine also highlights important themes such as sustainability, innovation in chemical sciences, and the role of chemistry in addressing global challenges. It encourages our students to think beyond textbooks and engage with science in a more applied and interdisciplinary manner. I take this opportunity to appreciate the sincere efforts of our student contributors, editors, faculty members who have worked diligently to bring out these academic compilations. Their dedication and teamwork have made this initiative a meaningful success. Now, I request our dignitaries and our HOD sir to unveil the seminar bulletin, the nucleation.
हे ऑन कर दे वीडियो ମୁଁ ଭିଡ଼ିଓ କରୁଛି ନା ଫଟୋ ନାହିଁ
cultural heritage and iconic temples. The college has consistently upheld its tradition of academic excellence. Accredited with an A grade by the National Assessment and Accreditation Council (NAC), the institution reflects its commitment to quality education. Since being granted autonomous status, the college has undertaken several progressive initiatives to enhance academic standards and promote holistic development, emerging as a distinguished center of higher learning at both the state and national levels. The Department of Chemistry at BJP Autonomous College is one of the oldest and most prominent department of the institution. Since its inception, it has upheld a strong tradition of excellence in chemistry education and research, contributing significantly to the academic reputation of the college. Over the years, the department has played a vital role in shaping the careers of numerous students, many of whom have gone on to become successful chemists, academicians, and researchers. The department offers a 3 year undergraduate program in chemistry along with the postgraduate programs with an intake capacity of 32 students. All UG and PG courses are structured in accordance with the choice-based credit system (CBCS) guidelines of the University Grants Commission, following the model syllabus prescribed by Utkal University. From the current academic session, the department has also implemented the provisions of the National Education Policy for undergraduate students. The department takes a pride in its highly qualified and dedicated faculty members, efficient non-teaching staff, and enthusiastic students. It has consistently served as a feeder department to reputed universities and premier institutions across the country, including central universities, NITs, and IITs, thereby contributing to the advancement of chemical science at both states and national levels. Continuing its tradition of academic excellence, the Department of Chemistry organized a series of academic activities during the session. The inaugural Lodi Rita Das ma'am. The seminar was graced by Dr. Nimai Misra, professor at ICT IOC Bhubaneswar, as the chief speaker. During the meeting, the following faculty members and students were nominated for various departmental posts: Dr. Devadatta Das, UG Seminar Advisor; Dr. Saroj Kumar Rao, PG Seminar Advisor; Bhubaneswar Barik as Seminar Secretary; Monalisa Bevra as Joint Seminar Secretary; Adyasa Rao, Somnath and Asutosh as Associate Seminar Secretaries. During the academic year, the Department of Chemistry demonstrated remarkable progress in academic excellence, research activities, and student development through a series of well-planned initiatives and programs. The department organized an invited seminar on metal organic frameworks, smart materials for a cleaner planet on 2nd December 2025, marking National Pollution Day. The session was delivered by Dr. Vishnu Prasad Biswal, professor at Department of Chemistry Sciences, NISA Bhubaneswar, whose insights enrich students' understanding of advanced functional materials. To strengthen academic exposure, a study visit to NISA Bhubaneswar was arranged on 12 December 2025 for PG students under guidance of Dr. Devadis Mahanti. During the visit, Professor Thalavel Pradeep delivered a highly informative lecture on water or molecular foundry. Additionally, PG students actively participated in the 12th annual meet of Professor Dr. Gokulananda Mahapatra Foundation, gaining valuable exposure to current research trends. The department also emphasized experimental and industrial learning by organizing a study tour on 6 February 2026 to Naveram Steel Private Limited at Dhenkanal. This industrial exposure helped students bridge the gap between theoretical concepts and real-world applications. The visit also included a cultural and spiritual trip to Kapilas Temple, contributing to students' holistic development.
Respected my younger brother and Professor Ravi from NIT Ramkala, and all esteemed faculty of Department of Chemistry, BJP College, and my younger brother sitting Prabhat is always omnipresent in everywhere you go. He's the only man you will find how much he loves chemistry. So please give a please for him. Thank you. First of all, I would like to thank Professor Devadis Mahanti. In fact, he's my super senior. So it's always been a very good time with him when I was in the Dhenkanal and even it as BJP College. He's always been a very friendly and open-minded person for discussion of everything that we used to discuss with him. And I hope what he has done in Dhenkanal College and previous to that also, and that baton, as he just said in his talk, that he will carry it forward. The BJP College, that which is known for the excellency of academic through the state of, though we are underprivileged, so I could not be a student in intermediate because I was in Navodaya doing +2. So, but when I joined +3, I had a chance to be in the part of the Ravenshaw College. Now it's Ravenshaw University. So in our time, in 90s, it is always great privilege and honor to be a student in BJP College. I am sure the same, I am sure those who are sitting in this, they are the gem of the state. That is what the principal used to that time say in the 90s. The podium is really the honor to be there with this podium, and great people, great chemistry have shared this podium, and with their what we have been grown and what we are today standing in front of you. And it gives always immense pleasure to visit the place which has always been cherished as your dream to be there, whether as a student, whether as a faculty or in any capacity. So I feel really honored and privileged today here to be with all of you in this annual conference of Department of Chemistry, BJP College, and of course the one-day annual seminar from molecules to materials. Of course, we have a
wide dimensional speaker today, starting from Professor Himanshu. Professor Uma Prasanna Hoja is my friend in IIT Bombay, and we have MSc batchmate. And of course, you see those people picture other, and except Nigam sir and Rita madam, they are our teachers. All are either seniors and juniors. So this is what the interaction that I said, or Professor Mohanty said. Chemistry is the central to all sciences. So all these have been interconnected or interrelated through NEP 2020, whether they accept it or not, whether it is a wet lab or the dry lab. Physics people, they don't accept us because we do more of in wet lab. Same as the biology people say, they think, okay, what do we do, what do you do? That is a solution to chemistry, we don't understand. But the same thing with you also. But whatever it may be, at the bottom of point, if you don't understand chemistry, a physicist cannot be a good physicist, a biologist cannot be also a good biologist. And same as with the other, branch of science that we know. So it is chemistry, the flagship of chemistry or the flag of chemistry, whether it's a BJP college or any other college or any other institutions or university in the state in across in the country, is always a pride department. If you go visit any institute, chemistry has always their presence. So I'm sure the glory of BJP is always there, and it will be always for the till this college last end. So you all are, as I said, you all are grateful, or you are privileged to be a part of this department and this institution. And I wish that this one day, because we are running a very time short, and I will give a talk. Of course, that time I will explain what we are doing and what science we are doing and how much science is needed to be done, and that is left to the youngsters, starting from the food crisis to energy crisis that we saw, and the materials that we need to smart and more advanced material for prospective applications. And of course, the last part of this are interdisciplinary, that the science is or interdisciplinary science in chemistry, that is biophysical chemistry, how we use the chemistry in life sciences. That we're going to discuss in our talk. So I wish all of you to have a good interaction with the speakers. They have their own strength in their own field of chemistry. So wish you all the best. And lastly, I thank you once again, Professor Mohanty, and all the colleagues and department faculty members for inviting me and share with a few words, all of you. Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Kumar Bera sir to address the gathering. So,
faculty colleagues, students, this is definitely my one of my memorable visit. Of course, it's not the first time I visited here. This is the second time, and I will recall, if I recall properly, then I will go back to maybe 26 years back. So I first entered into this campus for the, I think for BSc application. BJP college remain as a dream for everyone. Probably it's the same also in the current situation. And whenever we see someone has entered into the BJP college, we see him or her as a different than the others. I'm also very sure some of you are probably a inspiration to your school, like juniors or college mates. Those who see you as a BJP college, you have entered into the BJP college, means there is something, and they will look in a different way. So coming to the second part, I must actually thank, I'm in fact grateful to Devashish sir and his team for the invitation. So it's not like you are facing this, you are seeing this seminar and symposia. I still remember when I was a BSc student, this seminar was going on, and I was in Bhadra College, and I'm grateful that some people who have actually introduced to the seminar, they are present here. And you can probably guess who are they. One is Devashish sir. He was just newly joined. There are two seniors, because I was in BSc, and then two senior brothers. They were, Prabhat Bhai and Sashmita Madam, they were MSc students. So they were organizing the seminars, and that is how we were exposed to this symposia, seminar. Of course, you have a better, by location wise, you have advantage. I'm sure you will take that advantage as an advantage. You need to understand whenever you are located in Bhubaneswar, center of the state, everyone visit, they come by and they give a talk. So which is not, case for other place, other part of the college. So I'm sure that with this symposia or seminar, whatever you say, this molecules of material, you will take some advantage. I mean, something you gain something and then you take over. So with this, I again thank Devashish sir for this invitation. I'm really, sir, grateful for this.
In the next step, we'll move to for our prize distribution ceremony. Recognizing achievements motivates excellence in all forms. So Department of Chemistry this year have organized various competitions among the students to foster their creativity and other activities which are beyond their textbook. Now I would request Sujata Kumari Behra Madam to please come up onto the stage.
Esteemed HOD sir, respected dignitaries present in the dais, and all the respected faculty members who are present here, and my dear students. So finally, the moment we have all been waited for has arrived. So right now I am going to announce the name of the winners. And first of all, I want to congratulate all the participants. Each of you have showcased your talent and creativity. So to do the honor, may I request our esteemed dignitaries to come forward to felicitate and to congratulate our winners with shield and trophy. Manas Ranjan Pradhan of UG first year. Second prize goes to Subham Nandi of UG first year.
जियो कैमरा
It's now time for I feel I express my sincere gratitude to Principal Madam in her absence here. I express my sincere gratitude to our Chief Guest, Professor Boyragi sir and Professor Ravi sir. I express my profound gratitude to Dr. Devashish sir, HOD Chemistry, for conducting such inaugural session in most, I will say that it has been organized in a timely manner, and I express my sincere thankfulness to all the faculties and my dear students who has maintained such a disciplined way and organized this inaugural session. And I now request all of you to take a 5 minutes break, and we will continue our technical session after this 5 minutes break. And I request all of you to be present in this hall after 5 minutes. So thank you for this session. We will see you after few minutes.
Next break, and please return back for the plenary sessions.